Hi, welcome to Inspire UI. Let's continue with the series of videos showing you how to create your own mobile app using FluxBuilder App Builder. Exciting news! FluxBuilder Drag and Drop App Builder supports multi-languages. Now you will be able to view FluxBuilder in your native language, making it even easier for your team to collaborate effectively. We want to extend our heartfelt gratitude to all of you who have contributed to the translation efforts of FluxBuilder. Also, you can customize the colors of FluxBuilder by selecting primary color item. Select the color of FluxBuilder according to your preferred choice. Select Dashboard and open an app to see the change of color and language. That's all. Let's subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get new videos for free. Thank you.